We recording? I am praying y'all can hear me. I'm pretty sure it worked because I didn't hear no ding type shit. I'll be honest. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna say. But we're gonna freestyle this bitch. I'll tell you that. The mission for this video? No mission. Not gonna lie. Just strictly rooming the back. What the fuck? God damn it! Brain fart! Come on, honey. You got to stop. You got to stop, honey. My guy. He told me what's up earlier. I wish I could do a wheelie for my dog, but I'm not that good yet. Get good, right? No? Okay. God damn, Auntie. Where the fuck you going? I hope. Shit. Driving slow as fuck. Oh shit. Do not enter. Someone's here. Alright, let's be a dumbass. Oh. I got new pegs. I like them. Alright, let's try something dumb. Okay. I'm still learning how to wheelie. Oh fuck. Oh shit. What the fuck was that? Again? That was not planned. Nor do I plan on doing that again. Ooh, GTO. I like the car, buddy. Sounds nice too. Is this a dead end? Oh god. Okay, it's not. Oh, I know where the fuck I'm at. What the fuck? Oh, that's crazy. Alright, let's go this way. That's crazy, bro. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Y'all can wave. I don't bite. Goddamn. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, hold on. We need to go on this. I'm not gonna lie. I still can't get this shit right. I feel like every time I do a wheelie, I'm about to fucking bust my ass. see you, honey. Come on now. Oh! Oh! Come on, stay up, honey. Okay. Ow! That's it. Hurt. Ah! I'm getting there. Damn, what the fuck? Nigga, I tapped the brakes and threw me down! And I got the gas and threw me down! I'm back. I have come back to conquer your territory. Watch this. I just want to keep it up. That's it. I just want to keep it up. 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 I just want to keep it. I just want to keep it up. Oh fuck, I'm out of breath. I feel like a fat dude. I think I should do this on the grass. I think that'll be more safe if I fall and bust my dick, because then my day is really gonna suck. At the same time, I don't want to leave no trail in here. You get what I'm saying? Ooh. Hey! 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 Okay, that felt pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa! Oh, I'm getting it. Woo! Okay, that felt pretty good. Woo! Oh, fuck. My God. I'm gonna get this. This is a workout, though. I'm not gonna lie. God damn. Oh my god, that's crazy. I feel flat on my asses now. Thank God I'm on grass. Oh, that's crazy. Oh shit, that was flat on my. When I say flat on my ass, like on my tailbone type shit. God damn. Oh. Oh. Oh, my dog on her. Ain't no point. No more. Time to go. One thing, people. If you're gonna do some stupid shit, make sure no one's around. Oh shit, the dog going crazy.